Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are all fine. Today, I am giving you different ideas about your nails. Hope you guys like my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Today, I am giving you glitter coffin nail ideas. For as lengthy as individuals have actually been obtaining manicures, there have actually been two key forms, round as well as square. We await various nail designs. Rejoice, fellow nail addict, due to the fact that we lastly have something brand new. Coffin nail, or occasionally called as ballerina designed nails, is a stylish makeover for manicures. They contour in particularly to the suggestion where they are contested to develop aesthetic, fashion, as well as sight. Hope you guys like my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. If URL of ordinary round nails as well as the official look of square nails, coffin nails are an outstanding in between look and also this year's finest pattern. Please share my YouTube channel. Coffin nails design look amazing, particularly with our lengthy nails. Yet, you don't need to have lengthy nails to participate in this fad. Coffin nails are specially elegant with loads of nail designs for wonderful manicure kinds. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. As a matter of fact, we have discovered sufficient nail designs that you'll be established all year. Brief coffin nails are terrific nails for you if you require a stylish yet downplayed look throughout the week. Lengthy coffin nails are sophisticated and also the very best nails for you if you require some added dramatization. Hope you guys like my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel. Thank you.